Against Stephen Howard, 24F24311. Come on up here, Mr. Howard. Mr. Tessino, your name?
Oh, Tessino?
He's saying environmental. Pleads not guilty. I'm entering a not guilty plea form. And you still, your name again, sir?
Stephen Howard.
You still wish to waive your right to a lawyer?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear affirm under penalties of perjury that the testimony you will give in the proceedings will be the whole truth, so help you God.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, go ahead.
So I do have the lab results here. They're dated, it's from August 5th, 2025, and the ECG was confirmed at 576 nanograms per milliliter and ETS at 441 nanograms per milliliter.
That's the confirmation test,
That's the
right?
confirmation test.
Did you order a confirmation test?
Yes, so
Can you explain to him what a confirmation test does with regard to?
Here's where the truth hits harder than words. That confirmation test isn't some routine lab printout. It's science calling your bluff. When those ETG numbers break the cutoff, you can't blame mouthwash or environmental exposure. Judges hear that excuse every week, and the lab already builds in margin for it. In plain English, the alcohol's in your system because you drank. What fascinates me is how calm Judge Simpson stays. He's letting the data speak louder than the defendant.
With regard to environmental factors.
yes. So the instant cuff would rule out anything that would be considered like a false positive. So when they send it to the lab, it breaks the sample down further for the ETG. So your ETG was the 576 and the cutoff is 500. And then what they do is they break it down and confirm it again and do the ETS. Your levels for that were 541 and the cutoff is 125.
Yeah.
So the test is pretty much stating that your body metabolized something.
Do you have any questions of her?
No, I mean, I think,
Hang on. I just want to know, first of all, do you have any questions of her? You said no, right? If you do, you can.
yeah, I understand it, but I mean,
Sir,
I didn't drink any.
sir, I'm going to swear you to an oath if you want to testify. If you want to testify, I'm going to put you under oath. So you can't just talk. If you're telling me, Judge, I don't have any questions, but I want to testify, I'm going to swear you into an oath. And then I'm going to let you testify. You have the right to remain silent. You don't have to say anything.
Alright.
Do you want to testify or do you want to remain silent?
I guess I'll remain silent.
All right. Anything else?
Oh, that's it, Your Honor.
Do you have any argument?
Yes, sir.
We find you guilty as charged. That confirmation test rules out any environmental factors. At least you didn't go so far as to test or to testify under oath, which I'm going to find you guilty after hearing. Don't come in and lie to me again, okay? Please don't come in and lie to me again, all right? I've seen this little rodeo before. You follow me? Don't come in and lie to me again. How's he doing with everything else? I mean,
Everything else, I mean, honestly, he's doing really well. I mean, we just talked
How
about.
often is he testing right now?
Right now, he does live in Monroe County, so he does drive a bit. Right now, he's on bi-weekly, and then he is attending treatment at Salvation Army, and they do randomly test him as well.
I got tested on Monday.
I don't know, my concern, I guess, with increasing his testing here, I don't want to set him up to fail. If we could do like a hybrid with Salvation Army and DNA, they do send you the results.
What do you think? You tell me what you think I should do.
You know, Stephen has come a long way. I wish he would be honest. You know,
I know, I didn't appreciate his dishonesty here.
he did get a
That
job.
line, I wish he'd be honest, says everything. Courts don't expect perfection. They expect truth. You can fail a test and still earn respect if you own it. But lie once and every future word becomes noise. Watch how the tone in the room shifts, from supportive to disappointed. The system's not angry that he slipped. It's angry that he lied about it. That's the quiet line between recovery and revocation. Honesty. Would you risk your freedom just to save face for 5 minutes?
Good job since you've seen him last. He does seem to be genuine in wanting to be sober. He's going to meetings. He has a sponsor.
I pay off my fine.
Wait, let her finish.
Yeah, he paid off his fines, but everything else is completed. I mean, really, he's just maintaining, as far as testing and treatment.
Right now, he's testing bi-weekly.
Correct. And then Salvation Army tests him once a week. when he's there for his appointments. I did speak to his therapist.
So you want to just use those test results?
I just would hate to, I don't think he could confide in me once a week here.
So you want me to have, defendants to test weekly with Salvation Army. They too forward results to us, right?
Correct, and then his therapist did increase his meetings, from my understanding, that he's seen her once a week again.
Continued treatment, pay costs of $100, serve 8 hours of community service by September 21st, test weekly with Salvation Army, and they will forward the results to us, but you have to test weekly with them, okay? Do you have the $100 to pay?
I do, sir.
Okay, pay
I
that,
have cash.
pardon?
I have my debit card with me.
That's fine. Pay now, and we'll go from there.
Okay, sounds good, thank you.
Guys. Moradiglio Fernando Sanchez, 255-414-415-027.
Se llama el caso del señor Sánchez, Diego Sánchez, número 25 y 415027 OT.
Morning, Your Honor. Mike O'Connor, representing the defendant.
Ms. Villarreal, raise your right hand. Thanks for standing in. You solemnly swear or affirm that you will make a true and accurate translation between the court and the parties.
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Tell me your name, sir.
Dígame su nombre, señor.
Diego Sánchez.
Here comes the moment that turns from calm to chaos. And it's not about guilt. It's about respect for the process. Every missed hearing doesn't just waste time. It costs taxpayers money. Translators, clerks, the whole chain. That's why this judge snaps. It's not language he's mad at. It's laziness. You can...
Diego Sánchez.
Look, I'm not gonna keep paying for Spanish interpreters when you don't show up here.
Mire, señor, yo no voy a continuar a estar pagando por intérpretes de español para que usted no se presente aquí.
It's not happening.
No, eso no va a suceder.
It's just not happening.
No va a suceder.
The interpreter was here July 30. You didn't appear. You didn't
La
appear.
intérprete estuvo aquí el 30 de julio. Usted no compareció.
August 13th, you didn't appear.
El 13 de agosto tampoco usted compareció.
August 21, you came in. We set it again for August 27. You
El
didn't.
21 de agosto usted vino, le dimos la fecha nueva para el 27 de agosto.
I hope you have money in your pocket.
Ojalá que usted tenga dinero en su bolsillo hoy,
I'm not going to put up with this nonsense.
porque yo no voy a tolerar estas pocas vergüenzas.
This is absolute unequivocal nonsense.
Esto es absolutamente unas pocas vergüenzas.
I don't know why you think you can do this.
Yo no sé por qué usted piensa que usted puede hacer esto.
You must be running the Pentagon at a minimum.
Es que usted está encargado de
If it
la
happens again, setting a cash bond you won't be able to make, and I'm going to set this case in about 10 months. Do we understand one another?
Así que yo le voy a dar una fianza en efectivo y voy a darle una fecha en unos 10 meses. ¿Comprende usted?
Do you understand?
¿Usted comprende?
As it is now, it's 3,010%. 3,010% will be your your cash bond. You're going to have to post $300. I hope you can, but I'm not going to keep doing this. Do we understand one another?
Señor, yo le voy a dar a usted una fianza de $3,000 pagable el 10% para que pueda continuar a estar libre. La tiene que pagar en efectivo, así que 300 que me tiene que pagar en efectivo, porque yo no voy a seguir con estas pocas vergüenzas. ¿Usted me entiende a mí?
Sí, señor.
Do you
Yes.
say yes?
Yes.
Totally and completely?
Usted completamente, totalmente, ¿usted me comprende a mí?
Sí, señor.
Yes.
$300.
Kitty post $300.
¿Puede usted pagar $300 hoy?
This is pure judicial dominance. No shouting, no threats, just calm power. The $300 bond isn't about money. It's about the message. The judge is saying, I control the clock, not you. In court, silence and scheduling are weapons. Every defendant who treats hearings like options learns this the hard way. The balance here is justice with discipline. A lesson every viewer should hear. Freedom isn't free when you keep testing patience in a courtroom.
Pull this nonsense again. I promise you, you'll be sitting in the back for a long time until I get around to handling the case when I feel like it.
Si usted vuelve con estas pocas vergüenzas, se va a estar sentado en la parte de atrás de esta sala Y cuando yo decida que quiero llamar su caso, es cuando lo haré.
New pretrial date, Lisa. He's
September
saying
10th at 10:30.
September 10 at 10:30.
Su próxima fecha para comparecer es el 10 de septiembre a las 10:30 de la mañana.
And by the way, you better save your money because you're going to be paying for these attorney fees or interpreter fees.
Y usted empiece a ahorrar dinero porque le vamos a pedir a usted que usted pague por la intérprete para cada vez que ella ha venido aquí y usted no ha venido.
You got me?
¿Entendido?
Sí, señor.
We pay them a lot of money. For
Nosotros
you to
nos
just not show up is absolute nonsense.
esto nos cuesta
Don't do it again.
y usted no comparece. Esto son unas tonterías. No vuelva a hacer esto.
Comprende?
Sí, señor.
Understand?